What's up, guys? Welcome to your Bitcoin update. We're also going to be taking a look at the Dow Jones, the dollar, gold, Litecoin, and Ethereum. Definitely stick around for the whole video. Don't forget, we have a free Discord group in the description below the video. Definitely check it out. Let's get into it. All right, guys, as always, this is not financial advice, trading advice, nor is it investment advice. Don't forget, we do a free Ledger Nano S hard wallet giveaway. We do that every Monday. We'll be doing that at the end of the show. Also be doing that $500 Prime XBT giveaway. All you have to do to enter to win is make sure you subscribe to the channel, tick the notification bell to get you notified when I post new videos. Smash that thumbs up and leave your comments below. That will get you entered to win. Leave 500 in your comment, and that gives you a chance to win a free $500 Prime XBT account. All right, so let's take a look at what's going on in the Dow. I've been talking about this fractal. It does look like it is wanting to play out. Does that mean it has to crash instantly? No, but it does look very similar to what happened over here. We may be seeing a plummet in the Dow Jones like I've been talking about. So keep an eye on it. As you can see, this fractal is looking ready. If we zoom in here, the market isn't quite open yet. I think we have like 20 minutes. It'll be open by the time you see this video. If we start dropping through this, it could get pretty ugly. If you've seen last time, it started out slow drops for about a week, and then we had a week of just disaster. So the next couple of weeks could be very bad news for the Dow Jones. And that does bring Bitcoin down with it. Taking a look at the dollar, we've been watching this fractal on the dollar play out. Like I said, as long as we don't go below the 89.20, I stay bullish on the dollar. I do believe this fractal will play out similar to here. As you can see right now in the RSI, we are retesting the wedge. This is the 3-day chart, but as you can see on the MACD, even in the MACD, still looks perfect, like a perfect fractal. So let's look at gold. Gold, we still have our target, getting a little push up on gold right now. It is hitting resistance. We do have the target of 1736. We've had this since back in October. In November, I've been watching for this. The target has been 1736. If that breaks, next target is 1647. If that was to break, we could be going down to these lower targets. Looking at Bitcoin, so we are obviously getting a nice dump right now. As you guys know, we were watching this breakout of this wedge where the top line is in yellow. That gave us the target of 56. We talked about it last week if you watched my video, coming back down to retest this line, which we did. I didn't make a video Sunday, but we did come down and hit our target. We got our bounce back above the 56, and I told you if this broke and was not able to hold, then we would come back down into these levels. We have broken back down in the wedge now. Our next line of support for Bitcoin is, and I'm sure we'll get a bounce here eventually, but our next target here is around 49.6 will be the bottom of this channel. And if that is to break and we start opening and closing below this, the next target after that is going to be right around the $44,000 range. And then obviously we have some lower targets after that. We could come all the way back down to these areas to retest the top of this this falling wedge falling channel that we broke out of before. The RSI is in the oversold right now, so we may get a nice bounce here or just some more consolidation before continuing down. Unless we can break back above this 56, it's not looking good for Bitcoin, which is lining up with the Dow and everything else. And this is the 4-hour chart we were watching. We broke back inside this channel now. We could be coming back down to as low as the $36,000 to $40,000 range. We have broken below the 55 EMA here. That's lies right around, let's see, that is around 51,800. If we come back up to get back above this top trend line here around 53.2, we could go retest this 56.1 again before coming down, but it's looking pretty damn ugly. If you guys are interested in trading where it doesn't matter if the market goes up or down, definitely check out Prime XBT. I'll leave a tutorial on how to use the margin up top. You can trade crypto, forex, gold, silver, oil, S&P, Dow Jones, all on one exchange. And you can use my promo codes. Even if you already have an account, you can use my promo codes. If you don't have an account, I have a link down below. But if you do, or if you set up an account, use my promo code Savy50. Will get you 50% on top of whatever you deposit as a bonus. And Savy25 will get you 25% off of your fees. And looking at Tether, as you can see, they're just printing it out of thin air, fake monopoly money. And what usually happens, especially near the tops, they print a lot of Tether, they pump Bitcoin along with the celebrities, and then they sell the Bitcoin and get the real dollars back out. I don't believe in Tether, and I think it is a scam, so be careful, guys. But we've been watching this also in the daily, higher highs in the price action, lower highs in the RSI, bearish divergence. It is playing out now. We are getting support right now on the daily on the around the 50,100. If that breaks, our next target, it's going to be around the 47,190, and then we have the 55 EMA around 40,000, 200 EMA at about 25,000. Looking at the 2-day, same thing. Volume's declining while price was rising. That's never been a good sign. And as you can see, we were making higher highs in the price action, lower highs in the RSI, bearish divergence. Even in the 3-day, same thing, higher highs in the RSI, or higher highs in the price action, lower highs in the RSI, bearish divergence. And these are on bigger time frames, guys, so they usually play out pretty rough. The only thing that is looking like we can get a bounce here is now we are creating hidden bullish divergence where we're getting lower lows in the weekly, unless this is going to crash pretty hard. But as of right now, this bearish divergence right here in the weekly is playing out. And in the monthly, we have the same thing. Higher highs in the price action, lower highs in the RSI, bearish divergence. And as you guys know, I've been watching this chart when the dollar bottoms on this trend line, and the green is the dollar overlaid on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at or near its top. If we raise it up here, every time the dollar tops, Bitcoin bottoms. So I would be looking for a Bitcoin bottom with next time dollar tops up in this range. So that's what I'm looking for. As you guys know, I had another friend call me today, asking about Bitcoin. He actually bought yesterday, and things like that tell me, you know, just like 2017, we are at or near the top because everybody and their mother is getting into Bitcoin. As you can see, we had the rising channel over here in 2017. We broke out, came back down. On the second touch of this rising channel, you can see the yellow trend line across here. We always seem to come back down below that. Even in 2019, same thing. Rising channel, broke out of it. From the second touch on the rising channel, we broke back below. And if you notice, every time we top, we form a triangle up here. We take a measured move of that triangle, and that gets us to our low of the bear market. If we go over here, 2019, take a measured move of the triangle, put it down, it got us to the low of the bear market. And right now, here's the huge rising channel that we had this year. And as you can see, when we broke out the second touch on here, I put the line across. Depending on where the bottom of this is, if we've topped, and this is the triangle forming here, we could be seeing as low as a $8,000 Bitcoin. We do have a target down here. Even lower is possible. We do have a long-term trend line here in red. And let me stretch this out so you can see where I got that trend line. And it's off of these peaks here going across. We could come all the way back down to test that again, guys. It's definitely a possibility. Be cautious, be careful. I've been telling you guys that forever. There's people been buying up here and are getting absolutely wrecked right now. Yeah, just be careful. Funding rate is horrible. Definitely favoring the bulls. If we look at the daily, we're getting a bounce right now as I'm making this video around the 47,000, which is the 21 EMA. 55 EMA is around 39.6. And then we have the 200 EMA around 25. Not saying it's going to go straight down, guys, but it's not looking very good. Litecoin is now testing its support right here at 183. A break of that, we could be going all the way down to 147. We had a target of 271, didn't quite hit it. We hit about 250. Still a possibility if we get support here, we can get a bounce up there if Bitcoin gets another little bounce. And Ethereum is looking ugly, guys. If we break below this, Our measured move here for Ethereum is all the way down to the 1060 area. Let me put a target in there. And it does look like we are breaking down through there now. So not looking good, guys. The markets are looking pretty bearish. Obviously, we might get some relief rallies and whatnot, but be careful. This is my wife's webpage. If you enjoyed the videos, check it out. There's a link down below along with my other affiliate links down there to get hard wallets or whatnot. She makes a lot of cool gift. She's got a lot of great gift ideas on here. There's also a crypto section. Check it out. And let's pick a random number, 5. We'll pick our video from last week. Let's do this. Oh, if you guys haven't checked it out, I got some tutorials down here. Definitely check them out if you haven't already. It's right on my YouTube channel. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos. Massive warning signs. I've been trying to warn you guys of this. And let's copy the link address. We'll put it in the comment section. All right, here we go. This will be the winner of the Ledger Nano S. And if you'll have 24 hours to retrieve it. And if you did put 500 in your comment, you also win the $500 Prime XBT bonus. All right, let's see what we got. Adam Kilmer, in addition, please consider market correction after stimulus package announced. Typical buy on the rumors, sell the news. Congratulations, you didn't put 500 in, so you don't get the Prime XBT account, but you do get the Ledger Nano S. Just get a hold of me. And I will figure out, a way to know that it's you, and then we'll go from there. I'll verify it's you. All right, let's do another random comment pick and look for the 500. If somebody put in the 500, then we can give them the Prime XBT account. Nope, we're gonna have to try another one. Remember, guys, you got to put 500 in to get the Prime XBT account. Let's see. Paul Owen, 500. Paul Owen, you won. Get a hold of me and I will give you your promo code to get your $500 Prime XBT account. Thanks for watching, guys. Be careful out there. Don't get wrecked. Always use risk management. Don't over leverage. And have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.